What is up guys, welcome back to another video. Right, so today we've got a hairstyling video. I'm actually going to show you how I style my hair and all the products I use because I get a lot of questions from you guys and I've not done one of these for a long time. So I'm going to get straight into the video. If you do enjoy it guys, don't forget to drop it a like, subscribe to the channel if you've not already. Yeah, let's get cracking with it. So I've just had a shower now, I'm feeling pretty nice and fresh. What I do is I always like shampoo my hair probably like 3 times a week, and then the other times I'll just wash it normally without any like product or anything, just because you can actually damage your hair from like all the natural oils and stuff like that. So just wash my hair, I've dried it a little bit with the towel, it's nice and damp now. Then the first thing I do guys, after I've got out of the shower and give it a bit of a dry, I'll get my pre-styler, which is from Black Label. It's called Black Mist. It's like a spray you spray on your hair and then your hair dry it into position, but it like really helps it stick into position and it smells so good as well. It's actually a heat protectant as well, so your hair isn't going to get damaged. But a massive shout out to Black Label, they've actually sponsored today's video, so if you want to go and check them out, there's going to be a link in the description. Honestly, I've been using their products now for a very long time, like maybe 3 years, I can't even remember, it's been that long. But the pre-styler, the Black Mist, I live by it. I use it every single day. It's so good. It actually smells like a Ventus Creed as well. So make sure you go and get involved. There's going to be a link in the description. All the other products are from Black Label as well. So I'll talk more about that later on in the vid. But yeah, let's get some of this involved. Probably about 10 sprays, 10 to 12 sprays, just all over the hair. Work it in. Get it nice and wet. Honestly, it smells so good. I've used loads of pre-styles in the past and none come close to this. Like the hold you get from it, you could probably just like blow dry your hair with the Black Mist in and then not put any product in it and it's still gonna look sick. So get the hairdryer, get it into position. Right guys, so hair drying done, we've got it into position. It's already looking pretty good, like it's already got a bit of hold to it as well. The next thing we'll do is we'll add this dark matter, again from Black Label. This is like a powder and it like thickens up your hair. I've already got dead thick hair, but it gives it a bit of extra volume and like helps it to stand it in position even more. So it's gonna like last longer throughout the day. Just a bit of this in the front. It's pretty cool how it comes out, isn't it? Alright guys, so now it's got the volume, it's got the hold, it's looking pretty good already, how I like it. Like the front quiff, like this hairstyle I just feel like suits my face shape. Like I think different hairstyles suit different types of faces, that's my opinion anyway, and having it a bit higher for me, it does just help my cheeks look a little bit less chubby, do you know what I mean? Right, the next product we have got is the Profile Putty from Black Label. This again is a really nice product, so you don't really need much of this, but this is just going to finish it off and give it that hold and last throughout the day, do you know what I mean? So just like a finger full or fingertip full, about that much for me, and then you want to just rub it into your hands until it goes clear and dissolves. Actually looks like you've got no product on your hand, and then you just work it through your hair. Starting at the back, just using your fingertips to start off with, getting it right in there, and you work your way to the front, and you start using all your hands, all your palms, like so, and then just start finishing off. Like so. That is basically how I style my hair on a daily basis. It doesn't take that long, honestly. Like you might feel like it's taking long here, but it'll take me about 5 minutes once I've got the process in order and everything is bang on. The final finishing touches, I'll just add a little bit of hairspray so it fully sticks in position and is not going to move. I don't really like playing with my hair in the day. I know a lot of guys do, you know, like putting their hands through it and that, but I like just keeping it as it is so it's still, so it doesn't move at all. So just a little bit of this one. This is probably my favourite hairspray. Tresemme Ultra Hold 5. I've tried loads of other ones and they're pretty shit, to be honest. So bit of this on. That's it. There you go. That is how I style my hair, like a front quiff. Really nice, decent hairstyle. and the products all from Black Label. If you want to go and check them out, they're all going to be linked in the description. The putty, the dark matter, the black mist, all top quality, and they actually do a hair quiz on their website. So if you've got different hair to me, mine's quite thick. If you've got thin hair, they'll tell you what products you should actually use for your hair type. So go and get involved. There's going to be a link in the description. And yeah, that is it, guys. Very happy with my hair, honestly. During lockdown, it was doing my head in. I hate having dead long hair, but I'm probably due another fade now, to be honest. Anyway, guys, that is going to wrap up today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you're styling your hair like me, like tag me in any Insta posts or anything like that. But yeah, I'll catch you on the next video. Take care, guys. Stay safe. See you later.